In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Grammarly. Whether you're a student, a professional writer, or anyone who needs a bit of help with their writing, Grammarly can be a real game changer. It's a fantastic tool that helps you not just correct your grammar, but also improve your writing style. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Grammarly and hit enter. The official website should be one of the top results, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, you'll want to look for the button that says Get Grammarly. Click on it to begin the setup process. This will lead you to a sign up page. Here you have the option to create a new account if you don't already have one. Simply enter your email address or sign up using one of your existing accounts, such as Google or Facebook, for a quicker process. If you're returning and already have an account, just click on the sign in option and enter your credentials to log in. Once you've signed in or created a new account, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly dashboard. Next, let's install Grammarly on your computer. Head over to the apps section of the dashboard. If you're a Windows user, you'll see an option to install for Windows. Click on this to download the Grammarly application for desktop use. A similar option is available if you're using Chrome, as it can be added as a browser extension. For Chrome users, continue by clicking on Add to Chrome. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store, where you'll see an Add Extension button. Clicking it will initiate the installation of the Grammarly extension. Once downloaded, you'll want to pin Grammarly to your extensions bar for easy access. Click on the little puzzle piece icon in Chrome's toolbar, find Grammarly in the list and hit the pin icon next to it. With Grammarly installed and ready to go, let's test it out. Open a Google Docs file or create a new one. In the document, you'll see the Grammarly icon appear in the bottom right corner. Clicking on this icon will activate Grammarly, allowing it to start analyzing your text. As you type, Grammarly will offer corrective suggestions and helpful recommendations directly on your document. You can click on these suggestions to view details and apply them to your text. It's a wonderful way to ensure your writing is clear, concise, and free of errors. And there you have it. You can now confidently start improving your writing with Grammarly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walk